Hi, this is Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today I have a new TN style journal to share with you. This one has a botanical theme and I have used Artie Mays' kits as well as some digitals from Junk with Stuff. So let's get started. This is a beautiful, beautiful kit. And I love this purple color. The cover measures 9 by 5 and the spine is like about ½ an inch. The signature has 72 pages. It's a single signature, and the signature pages measure the TN style. So on the outside, I have a piece of a book page from a vintage garden encyclopedia from the 40s, a fussy cut iris, one of Tracy Fox's labels, and a piece of lace. And as I said, this is a batik fabric in a gorgeous, gorgeous purple and lavender. And the interior is also covered with a lavender batik. And I've used a variegated sari silk for the closure. So this is a tag that I made from the Junk with Stuff from her kit, and it's got a Tracy Fox label, and there's journaling space on the back, and I've added a stamp from one of Tim Holtz's stamps, and a little piece of some lace. And there's the little pocket again with the, this is from Andrea's kit, and a little Tracy Fox label. And then these are the pages from the kit, from Artie Mays' kit. And I think it's, I cannot remember the name of it, I'm sorry. It's just her recent kit. It's beautiful florals. And then this is a little tuck spot I've added with a fussy cut floral and one of Tracy's labels. And then this is I believe it's a copy of a vintage postcard. It has some pretty purple lilacs on it. And the back is, clearly it's a new, they've used the card recently because it's postmarked in the 70s and it has a zip code. But I thought it was a really pretty addition given the purple floral theme here. I've used tea-dyed pages, and there's lots of journaling space. This is the back of the kit from Artie Mays. This is her kit, and then I've got a lot of fold-out pages in here, some sari silk ruffles, and then this is from a Junk with Stuff's kit. I think it's called Breathe. It's a really beautiful kit. Sari silk piece and a little vintage button here, and then I've made a card from one of the pages in Artie Mays' kit and added the butterfly and again a Tracy Fox label, journaling space on the back. And then this is a piece of a vintage ledger that belonged to my dad. And again, this is Junk with Stuff's backgrounds and Artie Mays. Tea-dyed and some lace, some tea-dyed laces. And then I just added some trim here. Some beautiful butterflies in this kit. And then I fussy cut and added this butterfly, and there's a little bit of sparkle on that. I don't know if the light's going to catch that or not. And another beautiful piece of sari silk for a ruffle. Some more tea staining, and another flip out. There's another one of the pages, so pretty. And then this is a vintage catalog card. It's the complete poems of Elizabeth Bishop. And I've collaged some papers from Junk with Stuff on that and added a little tuck spot here, one of Tracy's labels. And then there are 2 vintage Willis cigarette cards that have the tufted vetch and I don't know what that flower is, I can't pronounce it, but they are actual vintage cards. They're wildflowers. And then this is a tuck spot with one of the, I made a card out of the pages and a Tracy label. And again, there's lots of journaling space on the back, and a Tim Holtz stamp. And then this is some more ledger paper from a different ledger. I've used some washi tape to reinforce that so that it's in good shape. And then here's another. This is an idea I got from Wendy, from Wendy's Journal Adventure, where you do your double card, and there's lots of journaling space on the back of that. And I've sewn some of the batik fabric to hold it together, and added some Tracy labels, and then that just clips over the page, and you can put that wherever you would like it to be. And the little paper clip has some sari silk on it. And another page from the kit, and then this is a glassine envelope, and I've included 2 journaling cards, and again I've used Steph's Junk with Steph from her kits. And there's the centerfold, and I used some variegated embroidery floss to do the signature. And then here's another journaling card. These flowers are so pretty. And then this one has a piece of washi tape decorating the envelope. Another flip out. Another page from the kit. This is the other side of that ledger paper from the kit. And this is a batik ruffle to match the outside cover. And then another tuck spot, and I've added some florals to that. That's part of the kit. Another tea-dyed paper, and then I made a little using the coin protectors, and this was the flower that I pressed and added that, and then added the little you see the little butterfly on that, and then you can see it from the other side also. And ledger paper, paper from the kit, some more tea paper, another ruffle, and then this is another tuck spot that I've added a fussy cut floral and a label, and this is one of the tags from the Junk with Steph kit, and there's one of Tracy's labels and journaling space on the back of that. Again, another fold out. That's more of the kit, and then I did a like a belly band using the, not tracing paper, I can't think of it now, vellum, and this is a bookmark that I made and added the label to that. I mean the fussy cut floral again. And this paper is from Ephemera's Garden. And then there's an envelope, which again is from Junk with Steph, and there's a journaling card in here. And I've used a lot of sewing, and then that just tucks in behind the belly band right there. So that's her, and again there's that floral. And I've enjoyed making this. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. And thank you for watching. I hope everybody's staying well and staying safe and doing well. And this journal is available in my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching.